There is one thing which is very disturbing, which has come to my knowledge. की आमची आता मध्येची मीटिंग जाल्ली ती सांकळे 16 तारखेर SV स्पेशल ब्रांच ऑफ क्राइम सेल ऑफ गोवा पुलीस बस ओनराक फोन मारतात, तांकां डिटेल्स विचारतात कोणा कोणा ऑर्डर केली बस, कितले पॅसेंजर गेल्ले. दिस is completely wrong, and according to me, if the police is trying to do such type of policing, it is contrary to the rights of the citizens, it is contrary to freedom of movement, and the kind of information they are taking, we don't know for what, on a harass purpose. I immediately found out from the number, one of the numbers which I was given, and it was a policeman, and I told him, you can't do this. Whoever has given you the order, make sure it is not being implemented. Mark guarantee asa that it will not be coming from the top of the police, means DGP and DIG will not ask this kind of information to be collected, and ikone astolo politics kotlo. If we have to fight the cause of Madi together, there is no need of instilling fear in the minds of the people. Loka boinda alpachi. This is what I condemn. I will write to the DGP today and I will tell him, if there is any order issued, withdraw it, otherwise we will have to take recourse to court. This is kind of what Amit Muntak, there is a very famous judgment of Harassing versus State of UP in 1962, 18 December 1962 Supreme Court put a judgment. These are kind of the nocturnal visit, police yatale, check kutale, te koro zaina. So this is one thing which is very shocking, and the police must stop doing this. Stop taking commands from any political masters. Please do your policing properly and don't spend your efforts in the wrong place.